My name na R&B.
My name na Becca Bleed.
God, why your day here? Lady JJ also day here. Life and direct. They tried knacking lip gloss. It is almost see and wear.
You know the camera they on, sir.
Now why they do am now? Make she understand. Just let us see.
You never carry your microphone.
Lady JJ.
So they tell you now, not be when you go see her for Instagram, you go say nobody tell you say camera don't on before you do your makeup.
You know say they blind do am because of camera. You know in the same market.
I just make her let you know which market. What's the name of the market?
The only market where I know say she dey sell.
J&J marketing company.
No, needle and stitches. Abi. Knits and stitches. Abi. I shall not say knits and stitches. They do.
Even the company get what do they call that thing?
Get waiting.
All those what they call swing. What they call?
Which one be swing?
You say join these stitches.
Yeah, a guy take pronounce and how they take the company get accent.
Which accent?
No, the name is he only sound like joystick stitches.
Join knit.
It sound like join nick. It remind me of the word joystick.
No be nick, knit.
Knit. I know it sound like joystick.
Okay.
Yeah. Away.
Now
Which one be away? I don't understand. What is joystick?
Joystick they for
joy get stick.
Now.
Joystick.
No, joystick they people that think they for.
You know say joystick, you got you take control and roll and one can go they obey you. You get.
Which one be they obey you again?
I because you know what they talk
which
about.
joystick they obey? I don't know.
I don't understand. Which one be joystick they obey?
I know say if joy get stick, that joystick.
Yes, then why they call am joystick?
And the computer
Because
get
it's
joystick.
Joystick for PC. That one day.
And joystick there for PC.
So wetin na
exactly.
dey talk?
Which of the joystick you dey refer to?
I say it just remind me of the word joystick.
Okay.
I don't know. I don't refer to any.
Now your person na sick when they get joy because of the way you take control and now you dey talk about.
Voila.
So I don't know. So now
Where did they say that one?
Mr. God, you don't take since you preach on top across the bridge.
I be never commit sin for my eye.
God bless you. Now I like God do.
I be never commit sin for my eye.
You don't take since you preach because now.
If you commit sin,
Mama, you don't go inside the word. You don't go inside the word.
Who are they?
You.
Because I go inside which word, man?
Which word? On top joystick. We're talking about joy.
I don't leave the word. No means I go forget some words wey dey the word now.
Hey God, Joe.
But what did you say we dey talk about?
I know they say joy wey get stick, but the joystick wey me and na for PC.
Bible say to the pure, all things are pure.
Okay.
But to those that are carnally minded, nothing is pure.
No, now you
for both their carnal heart and carnal mind, covers and colors, all they see and hear.
Now you start joy wey get stick.
Exactly. You can't tell us the computer will fine. So why they thought say I need to preach for R&B?
I don't say me you preach to R&B. I say you don't take it to preach to us.
No, R&B. You say don't tell what I preach to R&B.
No.
So what do you mean?
That's why I say R&B never sings currently.
No, I don't mention R&B. I say don't take since you preach.
Look, I need to go get this recording again. You mention R&B.
I don't mention I say don't take since
camera even there yet. You mention
R&B.
You say
I mention
you say
no, you not mention.
I mention your name. See the wahala wey my name don't cause. See the wahala wey my name don't cause.
You know how many Christian marriages we don't spoil because the joystick no dey give them joy.
Hey, God.
Just talk say now you don't know the kind joy.
Because different type day, different cars day. There's different kind of Mercedes. There's different kind of Toyota.
It will not be you describe them.
Which joystick? Why I take describe? Which joystick you know?
They obey you.
Hey.
Joystick they obey.
Like for instance, now, Lady J, that stick where you take touch powder your face. Who get that?
Hold the stick.
Let me get them.
Now joystick.
This one be joystick.
What
be your name?
Now stick.
What be your name? What be your name?
Your name now Joy.
Who get the stick? Joy.
They do all this kind of thing.
I don't understand people they read meaning to things.
I don't do sense. Person go mean one to now. They think
Pastor Godwin, when we move to another one.
Bless you, Sister Becca. Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you too, brother.
That's why they tell me bless you for school. And they like the girl, Wumi. Yeah, his sister, they did my fellowship.
But why they mention her name now?
I know.
And Joyce, yeah, his sister Joyce, Wumi and Joyce. They
you
did
don't
my
need
class.
to mention their names.
They did my class for school. And they like Wumi. with the come fellowship. Bless you, brother God. Bless you. Bless you. From now I tell my guys, this guy they don't be bless me. I like him. He said, meanwhile, they're gonna come my room every evening by 7 to 9. Come read. I go before what we don't finish lecture around 4. I go room, go do extra reading because you know when as a guy when you study calculation and guess one come calculate you don't need to fall your hand, especially when they eye one of them. So the 2 sisters, me and Joyce plus their friend Cindy, 3 of them go come my room, I go teach them calculation. I go don't read their head, so when they come I go they teach them.
Deliver.
Not knowing such they do we bless you.
Wahala.
They take Eddie. My
sorry,
guy.
hello. Sorry, excuse me.
If they take my guy Eddie, if they do me bless you, brother. God doing.
And are you the teacher?
If you want learn calculation, physics, but if
Papa God, if they take your guy, we name be Edwin.
Edward.
And you say they take your guy Eddie.
Eddie. My Eddie be name.
Edward.
Now Eddie be short of Edward. Becca God.
Apart from Becca, mama, everyone of us knows Becca not good.
I don't understand. What should I do?
The day where that one don't know say I won't talk with me. Let me say I know you kind of like me. I say not kind of. I like you.
Okay.
He say, but you know I like the fact that we're like best friends. I say because they teach you. Now they our learning end. Cannot be coming man. Wait, may I tell you that when my guy Lakeside don't give me the gist, say after your head finish, say we just committed, say let's kneel down and pray. She can't tell the Edward, men and kneel down and pray. Because Edward say that girl man, she's very God fearing, you know.
Wait, that is something the meaning of God fearing when they always look for.
Edward, they tell Lakeside, say, when we finish,
now let's pray.
She's God fearing, you know. She said, let's kneel down and pray. Break my heart. Then you got to tell me, say, we won't be friends. Until don't come to my room.
But wait, but you the teacher without having plans for reward before.
How many guys you know where they teach gear? Wait, fine. No, after a while, emotion will come. No, emotion come. Wait, no, not be everybody. Emotion come.
But they're not plenty.
But I don't even get the opportunity to talk because
they don't overshadow you already.
But
if a teacher finish,
that time my guys do me strong thing when we're for school. Which reward they want me to? Now me be lecturer. Teacher. If you know what guys do me for school, I got one that one nonso. Nonso, my sister classmate, what they follow say nonso. Well, they call him Veron for football because nonso sabi play football. Find defensive midfielder or attacking midfielder and they play ball together. Nonso go they tell me every time. My first girl I first life for school, Stella, and they call names so.
Why they call names?
Then they for not. I know they don't marry. If they like me, then see the video. I don't call anybody. You know how many? I don't call Nonso. I call anybody's son That's how they like Stella. Me I say like they go up and now. If I wait to even first go meet, I felt they like Stella. Stella and I felt they near me. You know all those girls I don't know. And now advice what I get from Mama San. They call names very well.
Hey,
Mama San. Now one of my Shakiri girl, okay, my cousin friend, my cousin Bawo they English. She get one friend, Faye boyfriend and be Omasa they 500 level electrical engineering. Omasa 9 when I first call school say may you hot for class. If you hot, all the girls go they rush you. Now go they hot.
Now why they no book
for calculation? Now the girls come they make they teach them. Now being at the teacher and I tell all of them near me. Now one time I go see my sister. You know they enter female hostel for not. I started they come and I told my sister talk from balcony. We they talk. Not knowing say as I not follow my sister talk finish, come they go. The next room where they the other side. Stella. She we don't already start to the number. Come say come tell me, man, that's the boy I was telling you about this guy. Man. Anytime I see that guy, man, the guy is, he doing hand like this, the guy is. Anytime I see that guy, man, all I think about is, me and my sister, they here for the other side. And my sister come my room, come find me. What do you have with that girl? That thing she they can't teach you. If they call you why they teach, I say, that girl get bad plan for you. I say, okay. So, once you go, I can't go tell Nonso. Nonso saying, God, no, you know, evil boy, they talk now. Guy, you need to get action. No, for your hand. You know, go travel many hours, come, Zaria, come the effort, you know. Now they see, I started to bite my time first. They do small. Not knowing say
you never start to work that time.
I be Jew man. Nah. I don't know anything.
I see why they teach.
I've been good boy.
I see why they teach people. The real people when they take, they don't they teach.
The day when I come back I go read one night, come back late. Only me go read. Now I just want to go prepare for test. Come back late. Before I enter room, now they hear noise. Now I peep from window. Now I see none so.
Who know they teach?
On top my Stella.
Who know they teach?
Ah man.
God, you know why you know book when
you
know why you know book if they teach them?
Why? Why?
And because you know, marriage when you be Jew, you don't get time for woman. Now it make you know book. And one thing also know be say anybody when no book. When they teach guests, the guests don't always give the opportunity. Now the bad boys.
I discover I'm the hard way.
Yes, now the bad boys.
I
when they know they teach them nothing. When
I discover. I cry to my sister now. I tell my sister say. I tell my sister go there. I say, so why they cry? Are you not a Christian?
You cry.
Are you not in fellowship?
Wait. What level you did?
When that one be.
I don't
understand though.
You don't eat.
So
you the teach person they help you receive the reward.
My guy. No, so I know my other sister classmates. So no, so they already did school like 2-3 years before I come. So no, so now like pros why they follow stay. So pros can't take my. I can't go back and not enter the room. And later I can't come back and say, God, I have had the jacking in the morning. I say, I see you. I
see the jack booking the jack.
You don't get action now. The guy they look for action. Every time they call you, follow you read for 90. You don't get action now. So me, I don't see him for your eye saying one thing.
Okay, God, what I don't realize really, I'm not gonna lie, give you and Becca fear test on. I will legit to an extent. Guess, they like to be friend with good guys.
Good boys, yes.
Good guys in the sense say, they feel run to you for help. Let me do this. You are telling you good boy. But when it comes to that doings, a bad boy when they know nothing.
Not be all girls though.
You get you get
a lot of the girls where we don't see growing up.
A lot of the girls, not all girls.
Me, I know somebody will be say, now that juice she dey high.
Yes, but that one be like one inside 20.
Yes, now they let it you because most of the girls who know growing up now, so they like bad boys.
You as a guy now, if you feel no book, I can't see they do bad guys. You go to enjoy.
That's why you go see girl, go they date good guy.
Yes,
the guy go maybe then quarrel fight, she cry, go they talk to her friend, we be bad guy. That one they console and you go take her.
You go take her straight. Meanwhile, you went even there with you, they wait make it.
Yeah, so she go console and then you go come go back.
When we ask Lady J because you mentioned my name, Lady J, you agree with their
bad boy don't do something.
When we ask Lady J,
okay, Lady J talk now like.
You agree?
Say good girls like bad boys.
Yes.
True. Not be just good girl like girls. Not be just good girls.
A lot of girls.
A lot of girls like bad boys. But the bad they take it from me now. I not gonna say be bad boy. You know, most of them know they come to me with the aura of I be bad boy. They come like I'm a gentleman, I be loving person. Now when they relate. Now they see that bad side from them. But when they come, you know go know.
And then somewhere like Lady J. You know, say once they don't come, not they near Lady J now. They won't come. Lady J go say no.
No, they go leave.
So they go look for options.
Look for options.
Which Lady J will catch them. Which should not break their heart. You understand? So now, I guess we don't do it strong to you. Well.
So that time you take coaching, Abi. Don't enter streets.
No, I don't really enter street that time. Now later I enter street.
You say you don't do good boy. You don't do good boy again.
No, I mend my heart.
To move to another level of this, all of us are be a corner legend,
yes.
Big businessman.
Locked up,
they won't let you out.
One of the things I like about corner for interviews, he always speak in mind and he just try one educate people on the things when you know it might not be 100% right, but sometimes you'll find some okay, this guy they make some sense. So he has something recently with Big Boy for Body Boda Radio presenter. And I want to make play and make una list. Becca, Naka.
How many wives for real?
Now, Big Boy, that one I always leave the speculation.
Really?
I like it. I like that people guess.
Okay, well just do this. I have one. Do you have more than me?
Yes, without a doubt. Wow. See, your life is difficult because you got to just focus on one thing all the time.
That's difficult?
It's difficult, yeah.
So
the more wives, the better.
It's easier to focus on more?
It's a lot more.
Oh, wow. Okay, explain that to me because it feels like this one that I have, that awesome. Focus, it seemed like it'd be harder to focus on more.
Well, okay, put it this way. And I would hate to put an analogy this way because I don't want it to be taken differently. But
it will.
When you have,
social media.
Yeah, it will anyway. So what? So let's say hypothetically you got 4 Ferraris, different colors.
Right.
Every day you dress your outfit, you know which one to pull in, right? It makes your life easier. But when you have only one red one,
right,
then you're like, damn, how am I going to look in this one tomorrow and the next week?
Right.
So every day is a concentration of how, you can't wear the same outfit every day.
How many wives for real?
Now, big boy, that one I always leave the speculation.
Really?
I like
say it can get more than one wife or two. I think the numbers they are. I think about
He get plenty children too.
You get plenty children too. Then when the one when they legally married, I think they're about. I don't know. I think they're about 3, 4, 5. You get me? You hear the analogy of
the Ferraris.
Ferraris.
Different colors.
You use wife and now Ferrari. Do comparison.
I know say you want to speak from the biblical point of view, but before then, I want to make you look and without putting that in perspective of what you just saying right now.
But 4 Ferraris don't go rich now. At 1.4 go tire you.
You're going to need to buy more colors.
So you get red, yellow, blue, and green. At one point, you're going to need black.
You're going to need white.
You're going to need orange. You're going to need... So at the end of the day, why I don't like that analogy, even though say it makes sense to a point, we say it no go ever reach you. That is why you go see... That's why you go see somebody get 10-bedroom duplex. 10 years later, you don't the 20-bedroom
then you kind of wonder what you want to use and do.
He get swimming pool. After you go say the swimming pool no big rich. After you get big, you go say I want to ride inside house. I want to ride on top of the roof.
But
so human wants normally no dissatisfied person. That is why you need to draw the line. Say at some point I go dissatisfied with this. If not by that analogy, you not go ever dissatisfied.
But he's saying having one they make your life hard, but having more than one they make your life easy because now you get different offshore. This one still be like waiting most Nigerian men they talk say now I don't want just eat one soup alone because normally if you know say if you eat one soup you go try
It also depends on how well you use the one way you get and how well he treat you. For instance, you get the kind of car where you get.
Yes.
You go be saying only one car. If for instance somebody they live inside 1004. I know my wife former boss gets Ferrari. The man they drive and come out. Not be Ferrari. He get this kind of Formula 1 car, special one they do for
1004.
Very low. That car they go outside for 1004.
He got another one.
In house he get like 2 of those duplexes. Then their main office now like 2 twin dual when they join together. He get like 4. Only him. 2 now where in the stay and the family. The other one that's Ferrari. No matter the time one time, this car cannot go out of the way because the road in Lagos is bad.
It's bad.
But not only inside there, so you want from your house, go in office, you go take the Ferrari. Different. If you want go out, you go drive SUV. Now, imagine say somebody no get any business anywhere beyond inside 1004 and from the island where you say most roads they good. And you can't drive a car where they a bit higher than that Ferrari. You go naturally if you drive that car for 5 years, you know we get issues.
You go
serve you well. Now, if you live for Ikpaja,
you not get that kind of car.
And you get one car, or you live for Abula, but somewhere road bad. One car no issue, you go to spoil. So it depends. It depends on how you take use waiting you get.
Now you got another I want more look. Having extra cars me say you get the money to take afford that. And why I not say anything wrong with waiting a contour because that guy he get money. So having different wife, he certainly me say if he take care of her. You get
I mean, I don't forget second a Muslim too.
But it's different also. But you know why wife different from car? Because wife cars emotion no they involved.
Exactly.
If you know
if you get 2 cars, if you not sometimes your car not they fail you. You go that car.
The reason why I get 2 cars, number 1, and they traffic come work every day. I live for mainland and they come work for island. I go there traffic every day. If you subject 1 car. Now traffic spoil my
now what they talk so imagine subject
if you subject one
if you want marry 2 wives just talk and
I don't discover when I they subject that my former car alone to traffic is spoiled. That's why that's 2 cars in now. But even at that the car if I not drive 1 car for a month the car no invest for me. If I get 2 wives carry 1 go Singapore, go stay 1 month, leave the other for Nigeria. What did you say go do?
Singapore, the women
no, the other way to Nigeria, how you go feel?
I want to ask a question. Okay, now you give an example of cars. If your car break down, maybe they take the car go mechanic. What do you go do? Okay, you won't compare woman to car. If the woman break down, who you want to come to?
Doctor na the mechanic now, psychologist, psychiatrist.
Second wife go dey house the service, why that one the receipt?
Arabi,
I don't tell you, say if you want 2 wives, just tell your wife. Tell her say you want bring one woman come house.
You dey free.
See, I'm not financially and emotionally ready for that. Don't be say I dey against her. You get, I'm not financially and emotionally ready for that.
Even by nature, that more than one wife thing, no dey comfortable. Even if you check Animal Kingdom, lion, the main lion, now they tell you so. Now, if that lion, but it's not better, don't get rich 4 wives, don't born plenty corpse, now you get in pride. The moment
one of
those males can't grow,
he go leave one woman for now.
Who they leave one woman? They chase their father come up for the pride. You understand? And then if for instance like another lion where don't grow up, consider male and young cub see the young. If he overpower that male, take over the women, he go kill all the male.
Yes, cops. Take over the women,
because he won't start in own pride. So even animal, they jealous. Say no, I don't want your remnants, not my own. So even in the animal kingdom self, they know say one wife good. If they get more than one, kill every other male with their around. That is why human being we get more emotions and more intelligence past animal no say one wife. That is why it bring me back to what I talk. We say the usage. If you get wife way una perfect for each other, they do una get understanding and they do not be the one where we say una they treat una self anyhow. You go the real remnant of emotions. I always talk if you eat well for house come out. Reach office, somebody offer you food.
You know, go one chop now because
not only long throat. If you don't belly full, and then with the promise of when you get home money and preparing that your wanting
for you. I tie a power.
About for long throat, you know,
red wine days I fridge.
You never go somewhere if they offer you food. You remember what is that they prepare for? You they save your belly.
Yeah.
So if your wife and your husband vice versa, they take care of each other well for us. Before remnant for outside, it go attract you. It go difficult. But a lot of men they work out with emotions, highness where the wife no fit take care of because they don't quarrel or their wife.
And most are just 10% too. Now those 10% people outside they based on. Don't worry, I'll give you the 10%. Just come in. You can't say they're more important than the 90% when your wife.
Because at that point. Everything don't pile up.
Yeah.
So at that point now, quick fix you they find. Once the person fix and another person you will the value more.
I remember something with my ex-girlfriend do. So you get this because me and my guys that time for Benin, we they like always travel, go delta, go somewhere, all guy, we all go through away doings. You girl, come back the next day. So this my guy, you know, say we want go this month. You know, believe say this guy say I must. As I wait, finish. Enter motor. I raise the ass. My friend they carry people. I don't feel carry anybody. So I get that. Now when I really call reason, I say. You never do this kind of thing before. Why you do this kind of thing?
He exhausts you before
you exhaust all my and I see that look. Nothing attracts me.
Nothing
arouse you.
I was just there because bros don't tired. Till we reach the next one and say, what's happening? So now my woman don't set me up. You get
now the thing
so
with that.
I see your
no, but I mean, I wish say it was permitted as a Christian to get more than one. You know, I wish. Well, no.
All these single girls were food. I won't for that help them.
I will say they also or like say is it permissible like in those days when Solomon get concubines and they allow.
Alright, not you.
Even you now somebody for don't help you.
But just get a few concubines.
Nobody they stop you.
No,
I'm a child of God. It's stopping me. It's stopping me. I'm a child of God. It's stopping me. And the economy is also stopping us too.
You know the way it be
economy and child of God they stop us.
You know the way that even the Jesus for not single now.
She will be somebody. Maybe she will be one concubine now or one wife.
Let's think about this thing.
No, but if they legal in those days now,
they don't position her. Position me where. They position me where. You not position her. Alright, before we go, so you got one filmmaker. Her name na Ireba Miola Komi. She dey narrate our ex-boyfriend forced her to support Chelsea FC. And became abusive whenever Chelsea lose. He will become abusive. Now this guy and he later cheaper. All right, according to this lady, she shared her thought about abusive partners. So he said, my domestic violence experience. He was a Chelsea fan while I was supporting Man United, but I dare not support my club openly. I dare not jubilate when Man U wins. Days I turned into a prayer warrior for Chelsea to win so that peace can reign. Is going to be a war zone. That day he won't eat my food. I dare not eat also. Why? Chelsea didn't win the match. It must be a sorrowful moment for us in the house. I have to beg him to eat, else I'll be sleep starving. If he's not at home, I must watch the match and tell him in details how it went. If by chance I slept off and I didn't watch the match, hell will be a better place for me that day. Forcing me to support a club against my will, forcing me to watch and narrate the match. Normally, if I hear Chelsea, I ought to have PTSD. This is not a movie or script I am working on. This is my true life story. Another question: what makes women to keep silent for long while being in abusive relationship or marriage? Because most of the time we keep making excuses for them.
Yes.
We see ourselves as the cause of the problem, and we are not, and that we are the reason they eat us.
It will change.
Another person can ask another question. Again, I want to ask this question: what makes man to abuse a woman he profess love to with the words "I love you"? Secondly, is this natural or spiritual? The answer: an abuser will always want their victim to see them as their Lord and Savior. Without them, the victim can't live. They want you to worship them and lick their feet. It's sad, but that's their love language. Doesn't mean they don't love the victim. It's just their love language. And they also make sure their victim is jobless and dependent.
So she don't ask question, don't answer the question.
No, another person they ask him, she they
answer the question.
But the abusive stuff, where she experienced a domestic
the
violence.
guy they practice one scripture in a negative way. Rejoice with them that rejoice, mourn with them that
No way. No, don't bring her my Vika. No way. No bring her.
Mourn with Chelsea lose. Chelsea lose. The guy they mourn with him. Why you go call the flat say man you win for in presence?
No.
This guy,
That
one not me say. What did the guy they do back? See, nothing there wrong if Chelsea lose. In this sad, you bring food. I don't want to eat. If they happen
every time.
I want to go out. Please, I'm not going out. But don't stop her for meeting. But even you say as a guy, you should be sensitive.
Say
not without that you come to go where your man you just see them walk up and down. Where is they there?
Now wait till me I fit do.
According to the Newton's law of motion.
Forget your Newton's law of motion.
Law of physics.
Forget that.
He said action and reaction are equal and opposite.
Forget this.
Not where your man you just see walk up past when your boyfriend Chelsea they vex.
Don't live back with the quick. No science law.
At the end of the day, everybody, the guy need to be sensitive. Same. She dey support another club, but see if the guy club lose, let them mourn. Every man know get they mourn their loss of their club. But I give example yesterday. We just say Drake bet $833,000 for say Arsenal go beat Leeds and then Barcelona go beat Real Madrid. Arsenal win, Barcelona lose. He lose $833,000. Imagine now say the normal guy $800. He says that they think about the $800. That is 300 million. If they think you can't even another club, they see what happen.
When I send them, you go bet the bet.
But you're consoler now.
You can't do that. You're consoler.
So you're consoler.
Because like your club beat her.
I'm so sorry. See, if I'm dating anybody and the person is there for another either club or whatever. Who
they talk to? Who you think they talk to?
When another person win, I go do who.
How you go even tell Shua say lover? Are you not supposed to join this club?
I don't understand.
Out of love, joining club. Joining club. Two shall become one. Why are you supporting this one?
Make your husband the APC, make the LP. You say because you have to obey.
So for this country now, your husband want to be APC. You want to be LP.
One day on ground, we be not ready to. You understand?
Okay.
That one don't threaten us.
You know the stadium for England. Papa, mama, and children. They support the same club.
It's not going to work.
No. So the abuse part they wrong, but
if you value your relationship,
understand with your partner.
So I should move to.
You move to that party.
You know what I'm talking about. I don't value anything.
That's just people are single.
Oh yeah. So now because of club. Because of club, people they single. Get out of here, man.
You get on top the original Naija FM 102.7. We radio.